Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. So FETCH.AI is chopping around here a little bit. So we've recently talked about the potential that at least here a B wave of sorts is unfolding. Okay, maybe something more bullish, but even a B wave could send us to $2.10, maybe higher. Okay. Or if a high B wave occurs, then even higher here into the maybe even $3 region. So it's all about that next rally. Is it just sort of a normal B wave and it finishes here? Okay, so B wave top. That could obviously finish here, right? So it's an ABC structure after 3 waves. You can always get a B wave. But it's possible that this B wave extends to a high B wave. Okay, this chart is, in my opinion, not really, at least if you trade with Elliott wave, it's not so great for short-term trading. At least if you are watching for clarity. Okay, if you expect clarity and high precision in a B wave, that's not really what you should expect. Elliott wave, well, you could say doesn't work in B waves. That's not true. But Elliott wave tells us that B waves, they tend to morph, they change, they can be short, they can be long. If you're okay with that uncertainty, by all means, trade it in the short term. But chances are you need another edge. Okay, so you might want to use trend lines, you might want to use moving averages, whatever indicators you like to use. But even if you use the fibs, I mean, $1.17, 1.174 was the main support for the idea that we could have bottomed here, locally at least, yeah. So that level is holding, so you might want to set a stop below. There are many ways of this could be approached, but what I try to say is this pattern doesn't give us much certainty or even clear probabilities, because there's never certainty in markets, right? But it doesn't really give us clear probabilities in the very short term. That's a bit of a problem, but I'm still leaning towards at least some kind of a B wave rally, maybe something more bullish. Either way, as long as we're holding $1.17, we can watch for higher. And then the first key pivot will be here between $2.10 and $2.50, because if this is an ABC structure, there's a chance of failure there. However, if we can then hold B wave support, which I cannot give you yet, I will be able to give you that once we've topped there, then there could be an extended B wave or something more bullish. So we take it level by level. I said before, this third wave, and I mentioned my worries, okay? This third wave is a little bit too short. So because this third wave is a little bit too short to be a viable and reliable third wave, this chart needs to be approached with caution. And if we don't get a high B wave, just let's say a normal B wave, there's a chance we break support. So best would be for the bulls to get that high B wave or maybe break out directly. If we only get the B wave here and then break support, that would be a warning. Okay, then we might even break the 52 cent level. Ideally not, but it could be. But that's key support, 52. But that would be very, very deep for a fourth wave already. So ideally, as I said here, ideally we hold 75 in any correction. Talking about this as a larger wave fall. But the problem remains that the third was very short. Now, sometimes in Elliott wave, in an ideal Elliott wave world, when the third wave is quite short, the B wave that follows can sometimes overshoot. Because those ideal fibs here at around 480 weren't reached, only the minimum, the B wave sometimes grabs them. That's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.